Trimma sent us this 3-in-1 facial trimmer so we can show you the features, let you know our thoughts. Let's go ahead and take it out of the box and see what it looks like. All right, so here is the Trimma itself. What I love about this trimmer is that it is rechargeable. I can't tell you how many times that I've had a facial hair trimmer and the batteries died in the middle of the use, and I have to go search for another battery, or, you know, I don't even have another battery on hand. So this is rechargeable, which is awesome. Another really cool feature is that when you turn it on, it's a long press. You see that light? You can turn it on and off by a short press. So if you're trimming your face, you actually have a light that shines on your face while you're doing whatever you're doing, so you can see really, really well. So that's very, very cool and very nice. It does come with 3 head attachments. So this one is the eyebrow trimmer or nose hair trimmer, or whatever you would use a straight edge for. And to take these off, they're interchangeable. You would just turn it and pop it off. Then you have a dedicated nose hair trimmer, as you can see here. And the way you line it up is it has a little notch right here on the head. And then you see there's like a little notch and arrow right there. So you want to line up the straight line with the arrow and then turn it. And when the 2 straight lines meet, you know it's locked in place. So this is a nose hair trimmer. You just turn it on and use it in your nose just like that, and it will get the hair. I really like this for nose hairs, which is awesome. And then you have the facial, the flat face razor. Lock that in, turn it on, and you just use it on your face just like that, and you can feel it. It's working really, really well. So that's cool. It does come with its own USB-C charger, and it has a handy dandy pouch to keep all your heads and the trimmer itself organized. So I just want to show you real quick how I use the eyebrow trimmer. It does the eyebrow trimmer also comes with a guard, so that's really nice as well. I always keep it on the longer guard. Let's turn it on and do my eyebrows. You can hear it trims really well. The motor speed is very powerful and fast, and it's working really, really well. I have to do this every now and again because my eyebrows grow so long. This is awesome. Some of the ones I've used in the past, you can see how the light is working too, and it's shining right where I need to work. So that's awesome. Sometimes in the past, the trimmers haven't been powerful enough, and they just pull my hair instead of actually cutting it. So these work really well. One of the nice things about this is you can clean this with a damp cloth and water. So you would just want to clean this off, or you don't want to get this unit wet. So if you want to take the head off and go ahead and just rinse it under water, you can do that as well. That way you are not risking getting the motorized part wet. Make sure that you wipe it with a dry cloth afterwards. But yeah, these are easy to clean as well. Solves the problem with the battery because you can recharge it. You can see because it has a light. This machine is awesome, and we would highly recommend Trimma.